everybody, Beanmeister22 here. Hey, it stopped raining long enough for us to get our Byrna LE out in the backyard with our high-speed camera. And this is filmed at both 1,000 frames per second in 1080p and 2142 frames per second in 720p. The higher the frames per second, the lower the resolution. Alright, so I'll quit yapping and I'll let you enjoy the video. What do you think? Pretty cool, right? We're using the Byrna training projectiles. These training projectiles allow you to see the dispersion pattern, which should leave you with a confidence that if you're launching CS or pepper spray, a mid-range body shot is definitely going to get into the breathing zone. In other words, you don't have to aim for the head and face and nose. A body shot will work perfectly fine. All right, leave your comments in the comment section. As always, thanks for watching.
Beanmeister22, the most dangerous man on YouTube.